Hello, welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you class third science, animals and their feeding habits. We are known to all living beings need food to get energy or healthy or to do some work. Like living beings means animals as well as plants. Animals means humans, also other animals like as goat, dog, deer, lion, and so on. So, in this chapter, animals and their feeding habits. In their feeding habits, that means depends on food, eating food. Animals have many parts or any kinds of habits. Why need food? Why need food? First of all, why need food? Why need food? Why need food? So generally speak, number one, need food to get energy. Need food to get energy. When anything or any word, what to do or what do you do, then need food. Whenever get food, then warm out or get energy and to do something work, like as oxen, buffalo, asses to has work, so help us or need food to get energy. When get energy, then any work to do something. So next one is need food to grow or growth. Need food to grow or growth. When need food, then grow. Have you seen a kid? Was sucking her or his mother's milk. Sucking your mother's milk. After some days or after few months, it becomes a god. So need food to grow. Whenever this baby kids sucking mother's milk, then mother's milk, that is food, and its few months it becomes a god. So it depends. So need food to get energy and to grow and so on. And then so I have to discuss types of animals depends on eating food or feeding habit. So first of all, three types of three kinds of animals. So first of one, herbivorous. Second one, carnivorous. Third one, omnivorous. I will discuss stepwise. So listen Let's start first one. Herbivores. Herbivorous animal. Herbivorous animal. Herbivorous means that is herb. That is, it comes from herb. Herb means thin and weak stems of a plant. Thin and weak stems of a plant. Thin and weak stems of a plant. Also, herbivorous means green plant. Herb means green plant. Some animals eat green plants is called herbivorous animals. Is called herbivorous animal. Some animals which eat grass or green plants is called herbivorous animals. Like deer, goat, and so on. So, like deer, goat, and so on, deer, goat, cow, and so on, etc. So, those animals eat green plants is called herbivorous animal. Is called herbivorous animal. Second one, carnivorous. Carnivorous animal. What is carnivorous animal? Carnivorous animal which eats flesh of other animals. Some animals eat flesh of other animals is called the carnivorous animal. Is called the carnivorous animals. Or small or other animals. Small or other animals. Animals which is eating some other animals, flesh of other animals or small animals is called carnivorous. Is called carnivorous. Like tiger, lion, leopard, etc. Tiger, lion, leopard, etc. So, carnivorous animals eat flesh of other animals or small animals and get energy and so on. And third one is omnivorous. Omnivorous animals. These types of animals have different characters. These animals eat, or these types of animals eat both green plants as well as flesh of other animals or small animals. Flesh of other animals or small animals is called omnivorous animals. First of all, only green plants. Carnivorous flesh of other animals, green plants, other animals, but omnivorous is a types of animals both eats both green plants and as well as flesh of other animals. Green plants and flesh of other animals. Like crow, pig, etc. Crow, pig, etc. Crow, like crow, pig, etc. Is that clear? Omnivorous means green, omnivorous animals eat green plants and flesh of other animals. So both green plants and flesh of other animals or small animals. So types of animals. Now I have to go. I hope you will understood that I have to go food chain. Not only types of animals. Let's learn about food chain. Learn about food chain. Here, food means which things we are eaten, and chain means something is depends on others. Something depends on others. So food chain is means it starts from green plants and carnivorous or omnivorous. That means eats from green plants, then eats an omnivorous or carnivorous. We are known to all plants make their own food and store some foods for future use, and we are eaten food by made of green plants directly or indirectly. So food chain is a chain is starts from green plants and to the omnivorous or carnivorous. So let's take an example to clearly understood what is food chain or what related with food chain. Now it starts from green plants. Green plants eats deer. Green plants eats deer and tiger eats deer. Tiger eats deer. When the tiger is dead or died, then the body of the or flesh is omnivorous crow. It crows or crow. So green plants herbivorous. Green plants means herbivorous. Green plants is green plants. Deer herbivorous. Tiger herbivorous eats green plants and other animals eats carnivorous. And eats both both of carnivorous other animals or green plants. Crow is the example of omnivore. Omnivore. So the food chain starts from green plants, deer, tiger, and crow. Is that clear? And taken another example to understood. Again it starts from green plants. Green plants eats or green plants is eaten by goat. Is eaten by goat, and goat is eaten by fox. Goat is eaten by fox. Okay, goat is eaten by fox. So green plants, goat and fox, in this it is one type of chain. Green plants is eaten by goat is called herbivorous. Herbivorous, and flesh of other animals is eaten is called carnivorous. Carnivorous is called carnivorous. Understood? I hope you will understood this part. Animals and their feeding habits. First of all, why need food? Need food to get energy to grow, and kinds of animals depends on feeding habits and food. And now food chain. I hope you will understood this part. Remaining part of this chapter I will discuss next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.